Hello. So we've had some questions about the slide doors on this silo, and we didn't really go into it too much last time. So since it's a balmy, I don't know, 19 degrees out, up from -5, we thought that maybe we would shoot some footage, give a little bit more detail as to how I did them. So if Erica wants to come in with a camera, we'll go in on the inside and take a peek. So, the first thing with these hinges, took me a while. I didn't want to just drill holes and put a nail in there. Figured the nail would get lost and hit it with a mower or something. But so I just use these hinges. I like to repurpose stuff, so you'll see a lot of that throughout our videos. Making old things have a purpose again. So what I did on these panels is just use ball bearing slides. The tricky part was that the posts all come in, they're angled towards the center. If you imagine a big piece of pizza, they're angled in. So where you set these on that post has a lot to do with the width that you cut these panels at. Also, the other thing you got to plan ahead and make sure that you have the right depth from your countertop up to your panel up here. So that was a little bit tricky. I just used blocks of wood bolted to the panels, but I did these slides have some, you can't see them in this video, but most drawer slides have a little bit of room that you can move it in and out this way. So this panel, for example, slides nice and smooth, goes right up easy because it's the right width and it's set up the right way. The other thing, well, we'll go to this panel here. So this panel next to it is a little bit too wide for the space, so it touches in the center, and I haven't adjusted it yet, so you can see what happens when they're not right. So it hits. This panel doesn't even need to have the hinges on it to hold it. It holds itself, but I will adjust it probably when we make the move and I reset everything up. I'll make sure all these panels slide nice up and down. Another thing that I did, and you can get this stuff online, it's just a trim molding. I think they use it in automotive. I bought it so long ago, I don't remember. I think I got it on eBay. It's pretty cheap, but I did that on all the bottoms of the doors so they aren't so hard on the countertop. Speaking of repurposing, this is an old, I don't know, some sort of antique rake. So I use it to hang my griddle for the barbecue. Thought it looked cool in there, so. But it's pretty handy. Another idea that I thought that somebody could try out there, I cheaped out and didn't get the soft close slides for these panels, but I suspect if you get them all set up right and you have the soft close drawer slides, they may hold themselves up when you lift them all the way up. So what I will do, if I'm barbecuing on a day like today and it's cold, I'll grab a chunk of scrap, a 2x6 or something. Sometimes I'll just set the doors, prop them. Got too much stuff in here. I'll just set a 2x4 flat or maybe on edge, and it'll give me some different height adjustment out of it. But I think those are 2-foot slides. They're more than what it needs. There's a little bit of finesse to get everything set up right so it slides right, but all in all, and then you can also see I had to grind. So this will be fun when I move it. because all of these bolts are ground off. So maybe I'll just leave those together. This bin has all flathead screws with square nuts, so it was real awesome to take apart. So probably when I move it, it's 3 hours away, we'll move it in bigger pieces than when we hauled it from its original home. So kind of cool. You can still see the stamp from Shoshone, Idaho, where it was built. I think that's about all I got for this video, but like and subscribe. We'll be building some stuff. We've done a lot of cool stuff here that we'll throw videos at. Set an antique scale in the porch. Lots of fun stuff, making bird baths out of old granite wash tubs and setting them up with drip irrigation. Just a lot of stuff. Sometimes it'll just be decoration sitting underneath a tree or sitting on a shelf until that idea pops into my head and, oh hey, that's the right thing I need for this project. So if you're into repurposing and things of that nature, we'll certainly be going over some as we start setting up the new homestead 3 hours from here, where there's no snow on the ground and it's not 19 for a daytime high for the last week. So anyways, that's what I got. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We appreciate it. It makes Erica's day. She runs out. I'm outside working and the front door slides open and, honey, we got another subscriber, and big smile across her face. So if you want to be part of that, she doesn't get so mad if I leave socks on the floor and stuff when you guys are subscribing. So help me out. Anyways, that's what I got. Have a good day.